Hey y'all, today I'm doing some extended marley twists and I'm using hair from Sam's Beauty, but before I do that I'm going to wash my hair so I have a nice clean head of hair. So I'm using this shampoo from Grow Secrets. So this is a cream conditioner. I'm just shampooing my hair, just massaging my scalp. Feels so good. The cream conditioner is so soft on my hair. Alright, so now let's rinse. Okay, I rinsed out all of my shampoo. Okay, so I put my hair in 3 parts, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. Now we're going to apply the deep conditioner. I'm going to apply this to large sections, so it's important to have a deep conditioner or a conditioner that is easy to spread. So this one is easy to spread. See, this section just soaked it in. Alright, so now I'm gonna rinse it with warm water. Alright y'all, I was over the tub. So this is the leave-in I'm gonna use. So I already put some on my head while it was over the tub just to soak up all the water. And we're gonna do this half first. Taking a lot of leave-in, creamy, and I'm gonna smooth it along the top first so that it soaks into the hair. Alright, so now we're just going to detangle quickly. And I like to braid like this. It helps me pull in all the hair. So I was trying to do something that would like be quick, but that would also stretch out my hair. But yeah, you guys will see the next day it really didn't work out how I wanted it to. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a scarf to lay it down to get rid of any frizz. So I'm just gonna put on a silk or satin scarf to just lay down the braids and lay down my hair so that I don't have any frizz or flyaways. Okay, so that's it. So yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. So it's like 2 days later, I took out my braids and they didn't really look too good. So yeah, whatever, but it's okay. So now let's go ahead and get ready to do these marley twists finally. So I'm gonna section up my hair, 2 sections in the front and then work in the back first. So like my hair was really tangled. It was really tangled, so it was really hard to part, but I did it. So I parted out a row in the back, and then I just parted that row into 3 squares. That's how I do most of my parts. Added some water, smoothed in that water, and then I smoothed in some moisturizing hair butter. And I just love using hair butter, especially for protective styles, because they last really long inside of protective styles. If you do want to use a hair butter, make sure it is not water-based. Make sure it is butter-based. So yeah, so then I'm just going to detangle with it after working it in, and then I'm going to plait this section. This is the only section that I plaited all the way down. So now I'm going to show you how I did the rest of the sections. Again, I sprayed it with water because it was really dry and tangled. So I smoothed in the water and then I smoothed in the hair butter. Of course, worked it in because you want your hair strands to soak it up. And then I detangled lightly from my ends all the way up. And I had plenty tangles to deal with, but whatever. And then I plaited it at the root, but then I decided to split it. After I plaited it like 4 times and then twist the rest of the way down. It is quicker that way. So here is the braid pattern in the back, and you see I have this many twists and this many rows. I didn't count it. But yeah, so now I just wanted to show you up front how my hair looked when it was like really dry. I smoothed some water into it, some butter, and then I braided then twisted it up, and this is how good it's looking. So yeah, use hair butter if you can. So now I need to finish the rest of my hair, and now I'm going to show you the braid pattern for the front, 2 on the bottom, 3 on the second, looks like 4 on the third and 4 on the fourth row, and it's the same way on the other side, 2, 3, 4, and 4. I know a lot of people like to know how many twists I have, but yeah, this is it. So now let's get into the hair I'm using. I'm using Bobbi Boss Brazilian NuTwist. This is 18 inches. I'm using colors number 33, 30, and 27 for a brown mixed look. This video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty, and I want to thank them so much for sending me this hair to use for this hairstyle. So I'm going to crochet in just 1 strand of that hair. You can start whatever color you want. You can use whatever color you want. 1 color, 2, 3, 4. I'm using 3. I just crocheted into the root, into the middle, then I just twisted the twist. I didn't untwist or unbraid my hair. I left it in the braid, and I just assigned it to one of the legs and twisted down. So once I get to the ends of this hair is very nappy, which is very good for this hairstyle because you want it to be nappy so that you're able to twist easily and so the twists stay in their twist. So once I get to the ends, I split it up, made it even more nappier, and then I twisted in a second piece of hair. And I wanted to do that because if I didn't, the twist would end at like bra strap length, but I wanted these to be long, like this length. So that's how I did it. So you can too if you just follow this tutorial. So I'm up front now, and I'm showing you how a blonde piece looks, or a color number 27 looks. And yeah, I just twist. I tried to conceal my actual hair, but that wasn't working. That wasn't gonna work anyway, but it's okay because I like how it looks. So I did the same thing. I twisted in the second piece at the end, then I twisted all the way to the ends just to make sure none of the twists come out. And just to further secure the twist, I'm going to dip them into boiling hot water. This is what makes the ends sleek and makes them stay twisted. So I'm going to just dip them in a few times. You can boil your water, then pour it into a cup. I just did this because I was really tired. It was late and I wanted to be done. So yeah, so that's why I did that. I just let it drain into the sink, and then I squeeze out the water using a regular towel. Just make sure the towel is like really good and really absorbs well. So just keep squeezing the hair, really squeeze downward so that the water just comes out. And then your end should look something like this, nice and sleek, but still like has the rough look, you know? So I really didn't have that many twists, I guess. And I could actually split this into 2 sections while doing this. Usually I have to do like 4 sections of dipping, but I only had 2. So yeah, so now this is the final result. This is how it looks. This is the length, and I guess the further up I went on my head, I guess a little shorter. That's how I have it. Whatever. But yeah, I really like this color mix. It's really cute. Like I really like mixing up colors like this. What do you guys think? Do you guys like mixing up colors? Okay, so now I'm going to show you some head wrap styles I did with these twists while I had them in, and I really like doing this because I like having fun with my twists. So I'm going to use this stretchy head wrap. This is a black owned head wrap, and it's from Taji wraps. I'll link it down below. I bought a few wraps from her a while ago, and I really love her wrap. So yeah, so I'm wrapping this one first. This one you just start off with a bun, and then you just wrap the wrap around the bun, end up tying it in the front. Make sure you tuck all the loose ends. And oh, the door just opened, but who was that? That was my cat. But yeah, this is the final result of the first head wrap, and here is my fat cute cat. He's actually sitting next to me now, but here he is in the video. And he started getting upset, so I had to put him down. But yeah, that's him. So now let's go into the second head wrap style. I filmed this for Instagram, so that's why it's like long form like this, so sorry, but I wanted to include it in the YouTube video. So yeah, so I'm going to put my hair up in a puff cuff into a ponytail, and then I'm going to just basically wrap the wrap around the base of the ponytail, kind of poetic justice style. and just tuck in the ends in the back, and that's it. Again, this hair can be found on samsbeauty.com. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.